Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Traverse LS, stock number X851XXA. 70,000 miles, and this Traverse comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silver ice metallic in color. We sold this Traverse brand new, just took it back in on trade. This Traverse seats 8, cloth interior, rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. The Traverse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Ample cargo space behind the third row, 60-40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LS has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and as of course where the backup camera displays, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6 liter V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Traverse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.